Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Comfort Inn and Suites. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Comfort Inn and Suites featuring laundry facilities. This hotel is located off Interstate 85. Comfort Inn and Suites is less than 10 minutes drive away. Free Wi-Fi is provided to all guests. A microwave, a small refrigerator and tea and coffee making facilities are found in each room at the Comfort Inn and Suites. The simply decorated rooms are equipped with a work desk. Suites feature a seating area with a sofa. A 24-hour reception and a fitness center are available for the guests of the pet-friendly Comfort Inn and Suites. Guests also have access to vending machines and a business center. High Rock Lake, popular for fishing and outdoor recreational activities, is 20 minutes drive from the hotel. The Bob Timberlake Art Gallery is 4 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.